Resolution timelines improve by 45%. Impact isn't acceleration, it's accountable acceleration. When a Singapore government agency asks you to modernize a legacy platform, failure isn't an option. We migrated over 20 terabytes, built for 3,000 users, met IM4L and M.A.D standards, and reduced manual effort through AI-first search and automation.
Adoption accelerated because accountability was built into the system and not enforced thereafter.
In insurance, compliance, validations lived in silos. Too many checks, not enough connections.
We redesigned the decision architecture across underwriting and servicing layers. So the logic holds when the volumes spike.
Regional compliance frameworks were integrated into a universal governance fabric without disrupting any business continuity.
The clients moved from reactive compliance to proactive governance, and that changes how you engage with regulation entirely.
We stabilized performance across distributed infrastructure. Resilience isn't promised, it's engineered.
I have an interesting case study from an insurance and annuity provider in the US. This organization was sitting on 40 terabytes of insurance critical data/documents and across 4 legacy systems. So imagine what happened with Newgen's digital transformation. 100 plus processes got automated and across just within a span of 8 months. Unbelievable, right?
Governance checkpoints became part of workflow, not review layers added later.
Compliance turnaround reduced 35%.
In banking, exception handling relied on manual overrides, which really means that the system lacked confidence.
We've introduced predictive risk scoring with explainability. Explainability is the key in regulated environments, and going forward, most of the regulators would imbibe explainability as a part of the AI framework.
Customer lifecycle insights reduced downstream escalation across digital servicing channels.
Process exception reduced by 70%. It's a big number, don't rush it.
We worked with the leading Indian financial regulator. 60 regulatory processes, high-stakes decisions, massive documentation. They introduced agentic AI, trained on prior rulings to respond in real time and route cases by urgency and expertise.
And that is structural value creation. Structural means it holds even after the spotlight moves on.